Hi, my name is Amaury David Chan Collí, and I'm going to introduce you the multimeter. What is it? The multimeter is a portable electrical instrument for directly measuring active electrical quantities, such as currents, and potential as voltage, or passive, such as resistance, capacities, and others. Measurements can be made for direct or alternative current and in various measurement ranks each. What is it for? It helps you to measure all the previous magnitudes, so it replaces the ammeter, voltmeter, and ohmmeter, and helps you to know the value of those magnitudes. Types of multimeter. There are analogical ones and later digital ones, whose function is the same, with some other variant have been introduced. The difference between these is that the analog uses a needle to measure, and the digital one shows you the exact value directly on its screen, and each one had its advantages and disadvantages.